Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Threads account without deleting your Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Meta, the parent company of Instagram, has introduced a feature that allows users to delete their Threads profile without deleting their Instagram account. Previously, users were unable to delete their Threads account without also deleting Instagram. The new feature found the settings menu give users more control over their online profile and allows them to decide whether they want to use Thread or stick to Instagram. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, first you have to open our Threads. After that, you can just go to your profile, tap on the upper right corner, the two lines over here, tap on account. Sorry, I just accidentally opened my Instagram. After that, so you can go to your account. After that, you'll find there is an option to activate or delete profile. You can just tap on that. Here, if you want to delete your threads permanently, you can choose on delete profile. You can enter your password. So now here's the result. Your thread profile will be deleted on January and you won't be visible on Thread between now and then. You can cancel deletion before this data date by logging into Threads. So your profile, your Threads account, will be deleted at this date. So simple, right? So that is how to delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.